Hi, hello, namaste. We are with prestigious gynecologist Dr. Divya T. Sudarshan Garu. Namaste, madam.
Namaste.
So, thank you for accepting for this interview, ma'am. Actually, we are very privileged and proud of your team and your works.
It's very sweet of you to even think of me for the interview. So I'm equally obliged and I'm equally happy to meet you.
Okay. Doctor, to begin with, I would like to ask you a few important things that are related to women health,
Okay.
which will help our viewers and also readers. There are three topics we have chosen from the audience, ma'am. That is PCOS, PCOD, and thyroid. So we'll start with PCOD and PCOS.
Okay. So what is your question? First question. I'm
Yes.
sure it is what is the difference?
No, ma'am. Actually, yes. Obviously, we'll start with what is the PCOD and PCOS?
Okay.
Ma'am?
It used to be called PCOD only.
Mm.
It was called polycystic ovarian disease.
Mm.
The nomenclature changed to polycystic ovarian syndrome. Syndrome basically means when a lot of symptoms run together. So this is because of that. So usually in PCOS, you'll start seeing there'll be either a little bit of weight gain, there'll be a little bit of hair loss, there'll be a little bit of facial hair that happens, acne that happens, irritability, mood swings. These things happen along with delayed cycles.
Okay.
A lot of times we find that in about 40% of patients, PCOD patients will have regular cycles. So
Okay.
that becomes a problem because patient says, all this is happening, but my cycles are regular. I don't need to see a gynecologist.
Of course,
Right.
ma'am, yes. Most
But-
of the patients will think
Yes,
that way.
exactly.
Yes.
So, unfortunately or fortunately, a regular cycle will actually delay the patient coming to the doctor
Okay.
because they are thinking that because my cycles are regular, everything else is regular.
Okay.
That's not necessarily true.
Okay.
Okay. And you can have patients who've got very delayed cycles who will not maybe
What
have
is
all.
the duration of
Yeah,
delay,
so a
ma'am?
normal cycle is around 25 to 35 days. That's
That
what.
will be cause.
That is okay.
Okay.
So, if you have a cycle by 25 days is also okay, up to 35 days. If it starts getting shorter, then it's
Okay.
worrying. If it starts getting longer, then it's
Okay.
worrying. Same way, bleeding. We want a bleeding to be ideally 3 to 5 days
Okay.
maximum.
Yes.
If it starts bleeding for 7, 8, 9 days, you need to see a doctor.
Okay.
And if it is less than a day, then you need to see a doctor. Right? So, there are ranges for more and less, both. And it's a question of what the patient feels is important. See, this is again another thing. The patient is normal. Gynecology is not like I was telling you, it's
Yes,
it's not a sad department. It's not a sick department.
Mm.
Patients are usually healthy. They have little things going on. So it's like having a punctured tire. There's nothing wrong with the car, but then you
Yes.
repair it and carry on.
Yes,
It's
ma'am.
like that.
So, what are the signs they should be mind in their this PCOD disease?
Okay, so most of the time, the first thing they'll notice is there'll be a slight delay in the periods.
Okay.
So, it may, instead of 30, 35 days, it'll come at 40 days.
Okay.
Now, we expect 1 or 2 cycles delayed in the whole year is expected, right? But if it keeps happening, you're supposed to watch it for at least 3 to 4 months. And you find, no, it's consistently getting delayed. Then it's
Okay.
time to go and pay attention.
So,
You-
ma'am, this is increasing in many populations in the
Yes,
women.
yes.
What may be the reasons? Could you please tell us, our viewers?
Okay. One thing is genetically, South Asians are known to be, pro PCOS. We
Okay.
tend to have more PCOS.
Hmm.
If you know that India is the diabetic center,
Of course, ma'am.
so there's a connection between PCOS and diabetes.
Oh,
Patients who have PCO have a higher tendency towards diabetes. They tend to
Okay.
become pre-diabetic early. They even tend to have full-blown diabetes earlier.
okay.
Especially if there's weight gain also along with it, then it's going to become a mess. So
Mhm.
whenever this thing, one of the first things we'll always tell patients is stop eating rice. And they keep thinking, why is this doctor stopping me? But rice is the easiest thing to eat, right?
Okay.
And you just put
While
those...
taking the rice, they'll increase the. People think that they'll increase the insulin levels, like
Yes,
sugar.
there is.
Yeah.
But also, see, chapatis also are carbohydrates. They also
Okay.
increase insulin level.
Okay,
But
okay.
we are not that comfortable making 12 chapatis. It's
Yes,
very
ma'am.
easy to CT bajao, and
Yeah.
get your rice. So
Okay.
rice is, and otherwise also for South Indians, rice is our staple.
Okay.
It's sambar rice, rasam rice, curd rice, everything is
Okay.
rice,
Of
right?
course.
So dosa is rice, idli is rice, appam is rice, everything is rice. So that kind of, you want them to go towards complex starches, reduce the easily absorbed starches,
Okay.
reduce your sweets, reduce
Yes,
your
yes.
easy starches.
Yes, ma'am.
Then things will improve.
So, what is the diagnostic test for this PCOD and PCOS? ma'am?
Right. Now we do 2 things. One is
Okay.
we do an ultrasound also
Okay.
to find out
It is
whether...
necessary, ma'am.
Yes,
ultrasound?
yes. You know why? Because a lot of the times, the patient, when we do an ultrasound, if we don't find a cyst, then also they are like, oh, I don't have it. So we have to do
Of
blood
course,
tests.
many of
Yes,
the younger women, they
Yes.
think that they don't have any
Yes,
PCOD.
yes.
But when comes to the for early marriages, they'll find these reasons.
yes. And another thing that we see is that if you do it and you're able to show it to them, they're a little more open to getting treatment. Because otherwise, if I say, I know, see, PCO is a clinical diagnosis. That is what we tell every patient.
Okay.
That this is not just, okay, chemically, these are your hormones, physically this. When we look at a patient also, sometimes there may not be anything majorly wrong, but it's
Yes.
like, when you, it's like so many things that you assess. If you now say four-legged animal, it can be four-legged animal is cow also, it can be giraffe also, it can be horse also, it can be anything,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes,
Whereas if you have seen, now somebody says, this is an okapi. Somebody who has seen an okapi will know what an okapi is. You
Yes.
don't know what it is.
Of
That is like
course.
PCOD. Gynecologists see it all the time.
Yeah.
So we know this looks like PCO. So there are so many times, when you're watching, like you walk, maybe I'm shopping and I look at this thing and suddenly you can say, okay, my God, full-blown PCOS. It comes automatically to your mind.
Yes.
But we're not going to go and tell the patient, okay, go and meet your doctor.
Yes. So, ma'am, is there any interlink between the PCOS and infertility?
Yes. Now, the problem with PCO, actually what happens is that patients, what is the reason her cycle is getting delayed? That most of the time she is forming this polycyst that we're talking about.
Yes.
These small cysts
Yes.
are only because it's not forming a large follicle. So a large mature follicle which is supposed to ovulate is usually between 18 and 22 millimeters. Polycysts will be around 5-6 mm.
Okay.
So you will have, instead of her making one big egg, she will make 4 small eggs. Now 4 babies don't equal a mother. So that's it. So these little eggs will go on forming these polycysts in her ovary, and it will make the ovary bulky. In fact, we've got this thing, it will look like a pearl's necklace. So we call it the queen's necklace appearance in the ovary.
Okay.
And because she's not ovulating, conception becomes a problem. So most of the time, whenever a patient comes, it's, their success in pregnancy is pretty good, provided they have to do 2 things. One is you meet a doctor. Second, you be a little patient. Because you're not going to conceive immediately. We have to give you some pre-treatment, settle your hormones, give you about 4 to 6 months of medicine, you'll become pregnant.